What's up, I'm Tutor Babi, and today on DIY Online Entrepreneur, I'm showing you how I turn my U-Haul into my Toonspace Mobile Store. You not gonna wanna miss out on this. This might help y'all out. So stay tuned, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't ever miss out on any videos. Now let's get into this video.
Finna turn the U-Haul into the Toonspace Mobile Store right now. We pressure washing it, cleaning it up. We're gonna have the signs up there soon, but we finna clean it up. We're gonna put some walls up and we're gonna paint all that. So y'all stay tuned. I got my boy Dumbo on the cam. We got Fidel with us. Come check us out. Come on, come on, come on. You know, we get active around here. You know what I'm talking about. Brand spanking new.
I ain't there. You can't help but to see that.
So I'm back to the God. So I'm back to the TV. Hey, shut up or get your ass on. Shut up. I'm back. Finna glue these walls up. And yeah, I'm gonna have to let them dry and then we gonna do the paint. Here we go. Drop a comment what color paint y'all think we should use on the walls. Shut up, bro. Shut up. Drop a comment below and let us know what color paint. Let us know. Drop a... Shut up, bro. Oh, what is you at? What is you... Shut up. Drop a comment below, let us know what color paint you think we should use. Alright, look. I got the walls up. Now I'm about to shut up. Shut up. Alright, so look, I done put up the walls. Now I'm finna paint them. I'm painting them like a turquoise looking color. Then after I paint, we're gonna spray paint the ceiling, put some little stars up there, and then we're gonna put down the floor and we'll be done for now. After that, I can put up my TV on the wall. I think I'll be done then. Appreciate y'all for staying tuned. So I'm finna pour my paint in my pan so I can start painting. put a second coat of paint on the walls. I'm done with that. Now I'm finna spray paint the ceiling. I was gonna spray paint it black and do like some white stars and stuff for Toonspace, but I don't want that black to make it hot up in here in the summertime, so I'm gonna paint it white with black stars, I guess. Alright, so I ran out of white spray paint. I'm about to head up to Home Depot and get some more. I just stopped at the Family Dollar, give me a Powerade or something. Give me something to drink. Let's roll. Is it tracking? Booyah. Cool. It's still crazy. I got my Powerade. Thirsty. As y'all can see, I like red. I've been outside painting at the mobile store all day. I gotta give me a new mic. My mic messed up on me. I gotta get a new mic for my camera so the audio sound real good. Wow, dang. I had to turn the camera back on. I know we all used to this by now, but I still don't have an explanation or heard an explanation for it. Why is Pines Road so funky, bro? Somebody please tell me, family. Why is it so funky? Like, they didn't have, whatever the reason is, they done had plenty of time to fix it. Why is it still funky years later? I'm trying not to curse and stuff on my YouTube as much. But why? Why? I just made it to Home Depot. It look like Danny. Nah, Danny hair not that long. I just made it to Home Depot. Gonna go get these cans of spray paint. Yep. I be having to make sure I don't lock myself out of my car, because I used to do that on a daily basis. I think I even did it on one of my old Tutor TV episodes. Y'all gotta go watch that on my old YouTube channel. Where is it? Okay. Here is all the spray paint. I think I'm gonna get these dollar cans down here, because I need about 7, 8. And the other ones I got, them 2X's, was $4, and that was barely anything in there. So I'm gonna get these. Shoot, 1, 2, 3. So I need this whole thing. I really need about 8, 9 of them. I'm gonna get 9 just in case. I'm gonna get 9. Got 9 of them. So I got my spray paint. Now I'm finna head back to the mobile store and get to painting. I know they getting tired of seeing me up here at Home Depot. No, they ain't, because there's more money for them. Yup, more money for them. Be hard to breathe in this mask when it's hot. It ain't too hot, ain't too cold. I like the cold though. Y'all can have the hot. The heat, you can have it. So I still gotta put down the flows after I finish spray painting. I'm trying to have this done today, so I could be working on the other stuff I need to be working on tomorrow. Old dude was supposed to call me about my heat press, fixing my heat press today. I hope he found out what's wrong with it. He ain't called me yet.
That be so off. That be super off. Let me see. That be super off.
It's too high. I mean, yeah,
It's too low. Because you ain't never measured from the top.
Stupid. We should do this one more time.
Yeah.
See it right here. Let's be right
Yeah.
there.
Yeah. It don't matter. Yeah, we got it.
Oh. Here you go.
Here you go.
We're gonna make the second run. We're gonna make this
Instantly.
and redo the footage. We gotta make
Yeah.
it like professional. We gotta look like professional.
Got him. Got him.
So that was how I turned my U-Haul into my Toonspace Mobile Store. And if you haven't already, you can check out our online store, toonspacestore.com. The link is in the description. So leave a comment below and let me know what y'all think about how it came out. And let me know if building a mobile store will help out your business. If you haven't already seen the video on how I turned my shed into my Tutor TV production studio, hit the card above and watch that video. It's a pretty good video. And subscribe and turn on that post notification so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you for watching DIY Online Entrepreneur.